Hello and welcome to our iConnect release video for version 2.9. My name is Zeba and I will be showing you all of the new features and how to use them. Improvements have been made to the Learning Journal report. The first improvement made to the Learning Journal report is that you can now include assessments into the report. To do this, simply select your child or group of children you'd like to run the report for, the dates between which you'd like the system to look for events, and tick the Include Assessments tick box. Once you click Filter, the system will then show the observations and assessments between your selected dates and will list them newest to oldest. The next improvement made to the Learning Journal report has been made to the Learning Journal report printout. The Learning Journal printout will now give you a front cover which will give you a short summary of the report. You'll see the child's profile picture, their name, date of birth, age, the date between which the report has been run on, and the date the report has been printed on. Also new to iConnect in version 2.9, we've made improvements to the number of steps report. As you can see, the number of steps report can now be filtered just like other iConnect reports. You can apply site or site group filters, key person, gender, cohort, ethnicity, and you can opt to exclude options or include options. To run the report, select your children and select the dates between which you'd like to run the report on, and click Filter. The next improvement we've made to the number of steps report is that you'll now see the average number of steps taken by your filtered group of children. The average number of steps taken for your group of children will be displayed above the individual breakdown of steps taken by your selected group. You can now change the way the draft screen is sorted. A new drop-down arrow has been placed on the draft screen to allow you to change the way in which the screen is ordered. You can sort the draft screen newest to oldest or oldest to newest. By default, the sort order is newest to oldest. We've improved the way end dates for children are handled in iConnect. Now when an end date is applied to a child's record, the child will still be shown throughout the system until the end date of the child has passed. iConnect users can now upload multiple media files at once. All of these features were requested by iConnect users through our community. If you haven't done so already, take a minute to log into the community and either post your ideas and suggestions or vote for suggestions that have been made by other users. This is the best way for us to understand the improvements you need and prioritize the things that will work the best for most of our users. Please make sure you're following us on Facebook and Twitter to be the first to know about our upcoming releases. Thank you for watching. If you enjoy your new features, please leave a review on the App Store.